Reading Pandas by Mamta Siroya. Phonics and an Early Literacy Program.
Hi, welcome back to another episode of Reading Pandas. And before I begin, let's see. We have Betty the big beaked booby. Hi Betty, what have you got? What's that in your beak? Oh, I've got some Magic-E. Magic-E? But where did you find it? I don't know. I just picked it up. Can you tell us what it is all about? Of course. So today I'm going to be teaching you about Magic-E. Can I take this? There you go. Before we get started with Magic-E, let me first introduce you to the vowels because they can be very challenging, especially for early readers, as they make short sounds and sometimes they make long sounds. So let's get on to the vowels first. Which are the 5 vowels we have? A, E, I, O and U. Now let's get on to the short vowel sounds. Now the short vowel sound for A is A as in apple. Short sound for E is E as in elephant. Short vowel sound for I is E as in igloo. O is O as in orange. And U is as in umbrella. So the 5 short vowel sounds are A, E, I, O and O. Now let me introduce you to the long vowel sounds. Now the long vowel sounds are very easy because the letter will say its own name. For example, A will say A, E will say E, I will say I, O will say O and U will say U. So the long vowel sounds are A, E, I, O and U. That is very easy. Now let's see what the Magic-E will do. Now that we have understood what are short vowel sounds and what are long vowel sounds, let's quickly understand the role of Magic-E. Now if you see, I have written these 3-letter words here which are the CVC words, and the A is all making the short vowel sound which is A, 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 A. So let's read the first word here. It's rat, and then when Magic-E will come, it'll tap onto A and it'll turn into long A and the word will read as rate. There we go. And this Magic-E is going to be shh, silent. Now let's move on to the next one. The word is dam and Magic-E will tap onto the short vowel sound and it'll turn into a long vowel sound and the word will be dame. But the A turned into A. The next one is can, and let's tap onto the short vowel sound and turn it into a long vowel sound, cane. There we go, and this word is cane, and here the short vowel sound A tapped again, and we will have tap will turn into tape, where A turned into A. Short vowel sound to long vowel sound, and the word is tape. Magic-E, Magic-E turns A to A magically. Silent-E, Silent-E turns A to A quietly. Now moving on to the next set of words here, we have pet, and where the vowel E is making a short vowel sound E. And then we have gen, where the E is again making a short vowel sound. When Magic-E comes, it just taps on it and magic. The E will turn into E, which is the long vowel sound for the vowel E. And the word is Pete. So here, there we go. And this E is silent. And the next one is gen. And then the Magic-E taps onto E and turns into G. long vowel sound. Now let's do some more examples. There we go. We have the next set of words where the vowel I is going to make the short vowel sound I. There we go. We have magic E here, and pin will turn into pine, where I turned into I. Then we have kit, and then magic E will come and tap on it, and the word kit will turn into kite. And the next one is dim, where letter I or the vowel I is making a short sound I, and then magic E taps on it, and I will turn into I, and the word is dime. And the last one, the word is hit, where I will turn into I when magic E taps on it. That's magic. Yes, and hit turned into hide, where I turned into I. And now moving on to the next vowel. Moving on to the next set here, where the vowel O is going to make the short vowel sound, which is O. Mop, and the magic E comes and magic, it taps onto O and it will turn into O. Now let's read the word here. It will become mauve. Yes. And then the next word is not, and magic E taps on it, and O. Now magically will turn into O, and this E will be shh, silent. So the word is going to turn into note. Yes, the word is note. The next one is chord, and when magic E comes and taps, it will turn into code, where O will turn into O. And the last one we have is raw, where O will magic. Yes, O will turn into O, and the word now reads as robe. And don't forget, this E is shh, silent. And now the vowel U words, and don't forget, the short vowel sound for you is A as in umbrella. Let's begin. So the word is cut, and magic E taps on it, and the word will turn into cute, where A will make the sound of U. And the next one is tub. You know it, where A will now turn into U, and magic E is going to be shh, silent, and this word will read as tube. Very good. Jut, tap onto it, and it will turn into Jude. Now here sometimes this vowel U can also make the sound of oo, which is also called the long vowel sound. And the word is jute. And the last one is hug, and O will turn into U, and the word will turn into huge. A turned into U, and this E is going to be silent. Now let's sing the song one more time. Magically, magically turns us to you. Magically, silently, silently turns us to you. Quietly. Very good. Now let's do a quick recap here. And don't forget where the short vowel sound will turn into long vowel sound because of magic E here. So the word is plan, and when magic E will come, it will turn into plane. Very good. Here it's gam, and magic E, which is silent, but the word will read as game. The next one is pet, and will turn into E, and this is peach. Very good. We have some more cards here, and Magic E is working its magic. Abracadabra. And Mick will turn into Mike. Spin will turn into Spine. Spock will turn into Spoke, and Home will turn into Home. Very good. And our last two words here, we have Mull will turn into Mule. Short vowel sound to long vowel sound. And Flat will turn to Flute. Magic E is working its wonders and magic all over while it stays silent at the end of the word. Hope this video was informative and helpful. And if yes, then do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you so much for joining us here, and see you soon there.